Montana.
Empire.
It's your girl Maisha Smalls rocking with your favorite producer, Montana.
Motorsport, put that thing in sports. Shot it bad, pop a. You a dork, never been a sport.
Hey, what's up you guys? So today I will be showing you how to create this makeup look. This is just what I do if I'm out with my girls, having a good time, you know the drill. And if you want to see me get fucked up, go ahead, add me on Snap, boop, link below. And by the way, if you guys haven't subscribed, you should go ahead and subscribe, you know, join the family of hoes. All my social media will be down below. If you guys want to learn how to get this look, please keep on watching. So first, I'm going to be doing my brows. Anastasia Beverly Hills and soft brown pomade with my Anastasia. You guys, I've been using this so long that the thing has rubbed off. Went ahead and finished my brows. Now today I'm just gonna be working with my Tartlette palette, Toasted. Pretty much throughout this whole tutorial, so it's pretty easy, just a simple palette. I'll be taking MAC 224 brush and in shade Cashmere and Warmth. Cashmere and Warmth, I'm just gonna be mixing those. But I'm just gonna be working. I'm just gonna do one eye at a time, so it's just easier for the sake of this video. I'm just gonna be working it in the crease. Wait. Have that nice and blended. And now I'm gonna be mixing, just taking a little bit of latte, dusting off the excess, and then putting that in the crease. So it's very pretty, but it's simple, so like pretty much everyone can do, especially if you have the right brushes and you blend. Now I'm just going to be taking a little bit of Cozy, which is kind of like the darker brown color. Taking that, dust it off, and I'm using the same brush because I'm all blending it together anyway, so it's just the same MAC brush, and I'm putting this like in the corner of my eye and then blending it into the crease. And I'm not doing it too harsh because I don't want it to be too harsh. My Cover FX Luminous Setting Spray. You can use any type of setting spray. You can use water, whatever, but I just like using this. I'm just going to spray this brush. And the brush I am using is Morphe M433. Don't mind, my brushes are kind of dirty. Okay. So I'm just going to be taking Simmer and just packing it on to the lid. And this I'm gonna kind of bring all over the lid. Now I'm gonna be back to my MAC brush and taking Warmth, Cashmere, and Latte mixed together. Just kind of mixing it like this. And then just going back over the crease and just to blend. It's nice and blended. Now what I'm really gonna do to add lots more shimmer is I'm gonna be taking my Stila. These are, I forgot what they're called, but it says Magnificent Metal Eyes. But they come in these little pots and they're really great for highlighters on the lid, everything, use everywhere. But something like this. And this is in shade Kitten. I'm going to be taking the same Morphe brush that I have, spraying it. And then just dipping it in there. And you're going to work it like on top. So now that I have that, I'm now going to be taking this Sephora brush. It just says eyeshadow. It came in like a little set. I'm just going to be taking this. This is the shape of it so that you can see It's just kind of like a domed, smaller brush. It's not as fluffy. And I'm just going to be taking the same shade Cozy to darken it. And putting it on the ends of my eye. Now I'm just going to be taking it back with my MAC. Blend as always. Just to give it a kind of a more smoky effect because I don't really wear eyeliner. I'm going to be taking the same eyeshadow brush that was in the Sephora set and the shade Fireside. And you're almost like going to put it like where you would put your eyeliner. And you're just going to set it in. So it's like a smoky eyeliner. I'm just going to be taking the same shadow brush, blending it. So there you go. Simple as it is, and I'll be right back. I'm going to do this other eye. Now I'm going to be using my Clinique toner and just a little cotton pad to wipe off the fallouts. It's mainly under the eye. I'm not doing all over the face. I just want to get the fallout out. Off. I'm just gonna take my Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. So I'm just gonna buff it in. Probably don't have to use as much as I did. I kind of used a little too much. Primer's primer. Now I'm gonna be applying my foundation. A Nars Sheer Glow foundation. It's in light 5. And I'm just gonna be putting that on the back of my hand. And I'm just gonna be taking my beauty blender. Do not judge my beauty blender, okay? I have a dog and his name is Paolo and he's an asshole and he did this. So, and don't worry, it's washed. I didn't just pick it off the ground after he was chewing on it. Don't judge. So now I'm gonna be using my beauty blender. Get some on my hand and then just pounce it on my face. And I put some on my ears, on my neck. The thing about this foundation, if anybody has not used it, is that it's really light on the skin. It does not feel heavy. And that's another thing about it. I mean, it's called Sheer Glow. Ooh, how else do you think it's gonna feel? But it's really nice because I really love the luminous silk, so I was looking for something similar to that. And this is like the closest that I could find. Now I'm going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape concealer in light neutral on my eye. I'm going to be taking my same beauty blender. Do the chin first, forehead. First, just going to pat it into the skin, like pat it in place. And then I'm going to bring it out under the eye, out where the cheekbone is, and then access onto the nose. This really helps with contouring your nose. I've always had problems with contouring my nose because my nose is not straight, and it's really annoying. Like, I don't know why Jesus did this to me to make me have a little freaking crooked nose. I mean, it's not crazy crooked, but it has like, my bridge goes out here and then it goes in for some reason, and it is not cute. I almost like put concealer, like the leftover concealer, like all over my nose. Another trick that I've learned, that if your foundation is breaking up, put concealer on your nose, and then like put your foundation on top, or put concealer on top. That's what I do, so your foundation does not break up on your nose. Airspun. Now, I don't use this much of it because it dries out my face a lot. I know some people who put it all over their face. I've seen YouTubers do it, different people, but I'm just like, does that not dry out your face? So I'm just gonna be taking, you know, the bitten off end and putting it directly under my eye. This would work if I had a tip better, but You know, my life doesn't work that way because I'm a freaking asshole of a dog. I'm going to be using is by Bobbi Brown in shade Natural 1. And this is a Sephora. This is just a big brush from Sephora. It's a Pro Brush in Flawless Light Powder in number 50. So I'm just going to be taking some, and I always do my forehead first. And I kind of just pat it and work it into the face. I'm going to be doing my cheeks. The Bobbi Brown powder, I'm just going to pat it in. Now that I have that cheek, we're going to do the other cheek. Now I'm going to be adding a little bit of bronzer to my chin. I don't do that much, but I just do it to kind of balance it out and bring it down a little bit. Now I'm just going to be taking my Airspun and then on the top of my beauty blender and just carving out. Each end. Now I'm going to do my under eye. And what I used, okay, this palette has been through a lot, okay, so don't judge. This is my Kat Von D Contour Shade and Light palette. I'm going to be mixing a little bit of the lighter shade and the more yellow tone shade, and that is in shade Lucid and Levitation. And I'm just going to be using this is BH Cosmetics, just BH Cosmetics Dome Brush. And I'm just going to be kind of dusting off the powder on my eye and then working it up. Now I'm going to be taking another MAC 22424 brush. And I'm going to be mixing a little bit of the Bobbi Brown and the Kat Von D Shadow and Subconscious. So now I'm just going to be, the key about that I learned about a nose contour is to be really light on the brush. So I'm just going to gently work that in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking my beauty blender and I kind of just pat it and blend it in. I'm going to be taking the same Tarte palette, the same dome shaped brush in Sephora, and just kind of mixing all of the shades together to do that smoky effect. So now I'm going to be taking my Huda Beauty lashes in number 7 Samantha. As that glue dries on my eye, I'm going to go ahead and do my highlight. And I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife and just a Real Techniques pointed foundation brush. This is the highlighter I've been using for like the past days or so, so I'm just going to use this one. So now I'm just going to be taking my Dome BH Cosmetics brush and dusting out the powder. And now what I like to do is take the same brush, I'm going to set between my eyebrow with the Dome brush, my chin. So now I'm just going to be taking my same Morphe brush and I'm just going to spray it with Cover FX. I'll be taking the same one I used to highlight under my brow bone candle. I'm going to be putting that here. And just make sure that that is highlighted. Then a little on my nose. Now I'm going to be taking mesh and go ahead and do mascara. This is a regular Sephora mascara. Nothing too crazy. I'm going to be taking the same Sephora brush in number 50. This MAC blush and Telling Glow. To my apples to my cheeks. Why is it my hair in my face? I'm going to be taking the same Cover FX illuminating setting spray that I'm going to use. I'm going to set my entire base. This is a lip liner by Sephora, shade Nothing But Nude in 02. So this is what I usually use, and then to top it off, I use Dior. I use Dior Ultra Gloss and Spring Ball 343. And line my lips. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch how I do my makeup. It's nothing special. But now you learned to be a hoe, so go get fucked up. Go have fun. Go get yourself a man. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down. Follow me on my social media, link below. And go watch my other videos too. Bye.